Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to continue with addition and subtraction of surd from where we stop. Here we have a problem to solve. Simplify the following. We have 1 root 32 plus 9 into root 8. So we have another one, 2 and 3. So let's begin to solve this. Solution. So we are going to apply what we have learned from the previous episode, where we looked into simplification of surd. So we are going to apply simplification of surd to this. So the first one, we have root 32 plus 9 root 8. Now we need to simplify this further, and inside here, if I divide 32 by 2, I will have 16, and 16 is a perfect square. So this can be expressed as 16 times 2. Then we have plus, I'll keep my 9. Then 8, if I divide 8 by 2, I will have 4. So it can be expressed as 4 times 2. The reason is that 4 is a perfect square, 16 is a perfect square. So this can be further solved. If I can break it 16 times root 2 plus, I'll keep this my 9, and it can be written as this. We have 4 times root 2. Now, if I take the square root of 16, I will have 4. Then I'll multiply with this, I will have root 2 plus, I'll keep this my 9. Square root of 4, I will have 2. So the 2 will multiply this times 2, then multiply by root 2. If we further solve this, we are going to have 4 root 2 plus this times this, I'm going to have 18. Then multiply with this, I will have root 2. Now if you look at this problem, we have similar surd. This root 2 and this also root 2. So we sum up the constant, the value, the number outside here. So 4 plus 18, I'm going to have 22. Then I'll put my root 2 there. So this will be my final answer for this. So let's pick the second one. Second one, we have 2 root 27 minus root 12 plus root 75. Again, if you look into this can be further simplified. So I'll keep my 2. We have 27 here. 3 into 27, I will have 9. So 9 is a perfect square. I can definitely have 9 times 3. This is a perfect square. So minus, here if I divide this one also by 3, I will have 4. So 4 is a perfect square. So I'm going to have 4 times 3. This is a perfect square. Plus, how can we get a perfect square? 5. If I use 5 to divide here, I will definitely get 15. But if I use 3 to divide here, 3 divide here, I'm going to have 25. I will have 25 times 3. 25 times 3. 25 is a perfect square as well. So we further solve this, which we are going to have 2. Then multiply by square root of 9 times square root of 3 minus square root of 4 times square root of 3 plus square root of 25 times square root of 3, which is equals to, now I'll keep my 2. Square root of 9 will give me 3. That means I will multiply 3 with this, then times root 3 minus square root of 4 will give me 2. Multiply by root 3 plus square root of 25 will give me 5. Multiply by root 3 equal to 2 times 3, I will have 6. Now place my root 3 here. Then here will be what? 2 root 3 plus. Now from here now, I'm going to have, from here I'm going to have this times this, I'm going to have 5 root 3. So if I solve for that, you observe that both surds have similar surds. This root 3, root 3, root 3. So what I'm going to do is to take the number outside. So 6 minus 2 will give me 4 plus 5. It will give me what? 9. 9. Then since they have similar surds, you place your similar surd. You only subtract the number outside the root. So you subtract and add 6 minus 2, 4, 4 plus 5, 9. So this will be my what? Answer. So move to the final one. We have root 28 plus root 48 minus root 63 minus root 343. Okay, so this can be solved. You observe that here we can get the perfect square here. 4 times 7 will give me 28. So this can be, we have 4 times 7, it will give us 28. 4 is a perfect square here. Why 448? If we divide it by 7, we have 64 times 7. We have 64. So 64 is a perfect square. And for 63 here, 9 times 7, we have 63. 9 is a perfect square. Then for 343, if 7 divide into 343, I will have 49 times 7. Now if you observe here, this can be written as was square root of 4 times square root of 7 plus square root of 64 times square root of 7 minus square root of 9 times square root of 7 minus square root of 49 times square root of 7. Now in this case now, square root of 4 will give me 2 multiplied by square root of 7 plus square root of 64 will give me 8 multiplied by square root of 7 minus square root of 9 will give me 3 multiplied by square root of 7 minus square root of 49 will give me 7 multiplied by square root of 7. Now something is common to all these now, which is root 7, root 7, root 7, root 7. All of them have what? Root 7. So we can simply just sum and subtract the number. So the number outside the root. So 2 plus 8 will give us 10. So this plus this I will have for 10 root 7. Then I have minus 3 minus 3 minus 7. So I'm going to have 10 root 7. Then if I subtract this, 10 root 7 minus 10 root 7, the answer will be what? 0. So this will be our answer. Okay, thank you for watching. I would like to plead with you, kindly subscribe if you have been watching from beginning to this point. Kindly subscribe, like, comment and share. In the next video, we are going to be looking at how to rationalize surd. Thank you for watching.